So how do those come? Right, let's share screen. Also share audio. Okay. Right, so first time doing this, so it might be a complete mess. So I should probably get rid of all these other tabs, like Netflix. Right, let's have a look at the charts then. Had one person and they disappeared. Right, so this is the US dollar looking at first of all. So this is, I was watching this, it was coming down here. Basic rule with US dollar is if the dollar's going down, assets will go up. So it's like a seesaw. So so here's your seesaw. USD on this side, if that's going down, then the asset, crypto or whatever, will go up, whether that's stocks or crypto or whatever else. So this is coming down. So cryptos were going up. I expected this to be a bit of support, and then for it to start going down, which would mean cryptos go up. However, it broke through, created a new support line here. So I'm just watching this go up to the top of this bigger channel. Put this on the 12-hour. You see it's got in quite a big compression there. So that is upward trend compression. So we'd expect it to keep coming down, or I would expect it, obviously not financial advice and all that. I'd expect it to come down at some point, and so as this comes down, if this comes down, then the cryptos will go up. I'm in and out of Coinbase. That just jumped up actually. MicroStrategies. Oh, nice. MicroStrategies. Right, let's have a look at some of the charts and see what's available to invest in at the moment. My main bags that I'm holding at the moment, I think I'm about 75% in Tau, which is this beauty. So I don't even know what I averaged in at. Let's have a look. Tau average buy price is 345 now. I've been buying up all the way. Let's have a look at the first one. It's worth knowing that 345 is my average buy. 345, so around here. That was my average buy. And then just looking on coin panel now, the first one's around 249. So I started buying in here, and then I've been buying all the way up. Been buying here as well, so I brought my average up to about here. So this is something I'm heavy into. This is like an AI play. So I'm watching this. Looks like it's still got some legs here. Just watching this big channel that it's in, working its way up here, created this triangle pattern, which usually is compression and then a breakout. It broke out, then it came back all the way down, which we found out later was someone selling a load into ETH. And then I bought some more up in here. It's going up again. So I'm expecting this to go up to around the $600 mark. And at that point, I'll probably flip-flop some of that money, take some profits there, and expect it to maybe come down back into the channel. But this is price discovery, so it could literally just bust out. And it's a new project, like, so it's only been around since April 23. And then on the back of this, because this is you can build on it on the subnets, and someone's already put out a like Doge equivalent. So we have got Tau Inu or Tau NU, which you can only get on Uniswap. So I bought this around this level here, and it's just absolute crazy at the moment. Look at that, 451%. This happened like 4 in the morning, so missed out on that. But I put like $1,500 in around here, got up to here, and I think I added another grand or something, or two. And then at this mark, where it is now, so it's about $7,000 worth. And then from here, if it carries on going up, looking at 104%, which is cool. So I'm keeping on that long-term hold. And the good thing about this is there's no more, there's no emission schedule for this one. So this is kind of like a meme coin, like Dogecoin, but for Tau. But there's no emission schedule. So whatever you buy now, there's not going to be any more of it coming out. All right, then let's have a look at Kaspa. I think I'm holding about 20% Kaspa as well. This has done well. Let's go back in time. What a mess. Let's find another chart that's well messy. This one's a bit better. I've been sidestepping, jumping in and out of this all the time. So let's see. Kaspa. Average buy price on Kaspa is 0.07, which is here, 0.07123. So about there. That's where my average buy is. And then my earliest buy when I first got in. Scrolling. Keep those doggies scrolling. Wow, I've been in and out of this a lot. Like pages and pages of side steps. Here we go. So April 22nd, 23, 0.002464. Even before this, 24. Oh, wow. Here, 2464 in April. I've got it on Mexi, so it's probably, I'll have to go back to the messy chart. Oh my nose. So let's have a look. April 23, January, February, March. April. Yeah, so I got it around here, about 2.4, somewhere in this mess. Around about there. That's my first entry into Kaspa. And then the average is what we just said before, 0.71. So I've been in and out of this, buying it all the way. It's good though. It had this lovely flat top compression here, where I put more and more in. As you can see, I've topped up, sold, bought some more in, and then it blasted up this massive run up. And I've sold in and out of here as I've been going along. And we are now having this push to the upside again. So if we look all the way out, probably what I do on my charts as well is these pink lines. I mean it's on the log chart. So that's where I put trend lines on the log chart, and the white lines are on the linear chart. So at the moment, we were well within this lovely log channel, and then we broke down, which is a bit scary. Hard to see with all these stupid bits. We can probably get rid of a lot of these now, because these are all previous levels that I could have reacted off. Clean it up a little bit. That was a channel I was looking to get into to top up if it went that low, but it didn't, which is fine though. You just react to the market. You don't try and guess where it's going. So we're now actually back in that channel. Now this is a bit mad really, but if you look where it is now and where it could go up to in the next however long day and price range. So from here, let's say from here to here, 86 days, and then from where we are now, get back in here for this kind of, let's say it's another 80 odd days. So it's that's 13x from where we are now. at 0.12, 0.13. So you're talking between $1.30 to $2 a coin. So around this area, which should be nice. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? Just checking now on how many people are watching. Looks a bit like Big Fat Zero. Moving on. Top chat. No chatting. Yeah, so that is where I'm looking for. I've got 25% in Kaspa, 75% in Tau, more or less. Got a few little bits and bobs, a little tiny bit of ETH and some of the Tau in you, which is doing well. But I wouldn't mind getting some more ETH because Bitcoin's looking strong now. I've obviously having a good day. Sorry about that. I just had someone coming in asking about electric meters. Right, so this is where we are on Bitcoin. It's on a log chart actually still, isn't it? So I've not looked at the log for Bitcoin, but we are in this big channel at the top of a channel here, which is interesting. I was expecting it to come down here. Okay, so we're at the top of this channel here, but it does look like, I mean, look, we've done very well, haven't we? From 15,000 up to 47. It might come down a little bit for here before going up for the all-time highs here. So very good. But Ethereum I quite like because let's get off the log chart. So we've just poked out into this top here, and we're going to get in some nice free range here, which would get us up to 3.5. But I do like the idea of Ethereum because we can get on Ethereum, we can buy our Ethereum or ETH, and then as it's going up, we can either stake it or you can stick it into Aave and borrow up to 50% against it, and you can use that 50% to buy something else. And then you've got security of ETH, which will do well, I believe. Maybe that'll do 10x from here. Possibly a big bit of a stretch, but yeah, even at 10 grand, like you get all that growth and you can borrow against it as well. So yeah, that's what I'm contemplating doing. I've also got to think about how I'm going to start pulling money out when it does go, when the likes of like Kaspa and Tower at the top of those channels. We've got to look at scaling some of that out. I mean, this one's a bit of an easy one. I probably won't sell it all, just sell maybe 30% or something, just in case it pops up again. But if it doesn't, then I can flip some of that over into Kaspa maybe, if Kaspa's on a pullback. But yeah, very positive at the moment. So if you've got anything that you want us to look at in the future, then just stick some comments on and I'll have a look. First live stream I've done. Not told anyone I'm doing it, just put it on. I think someone popped on and disappeared, so very exciting, isn't it? So yeah, that's where we are. So any questions, stick them in the comments and I'll get back and we'll do another live stream soon. And if you like and subscribe, it'll be a pop-up when the live streams are coming on. And you'll be able to jump on and ask any questions you want. And we can play I was going to do like a play, if there are people on it, I was going to do like a play your charts, right? Where you can just get like, say Bitcoin and put it down to like the 4 hourly. go on the replay. Let's scroll it right back in time. I mean, you can see what it's doing now, but I'd go back and have it set up so no one knows. And then go into replay mode and stick it, go replay, say here. And then you put it on say 3x. And you've got a bit like binary options. You've got to check which way you think it's going to go, up or down from here. And you can look at the charts and go, okay, here's a chart. Where's it going to go? And then we can hit play on it. So here, if you're looking at this, you'd be like, okay, let's put some trend lines on it. It's got a bit of a flat top here. I'd expect a crush and then a pop out to the upside. Oh, it broke support. So you could say if this comes down again, it's probably going to go lower. But it's going up. Let's see if it gets crushed in this compression. And now it does, yeah, pops out. Interesting, eh? Be a good game. I mean, depending on what price it's at and what date it's at, you probably be able to work it out yourself. But do it on a different coin now. So yeah, we'll try out for the next one if anyone ever comes on here. Right, stop sharing. That'll be the end for today, and I will do another one next time. Hopefully we might find a human on here next time. See you again.